Okay, let's discuss today this 7 segment display decoder, or we call it as BCD to 7 segment decoder or driver. Okay, so you may get a long question or some other kind of questions also out of this. So if a BCD number is given, how to map it into 7 segment decoder? In calculator, or you can say in some digital watches, you might have seen this 7 segment display which looks like this. Okay, this is the structure in digital watches. Okay, right? So this is a 7 segment display structure, right? This display structure can be used to display digits from 0 to 9.
9.
Okay, so 0 to 9. So 0 means we can display it like this. 1 can be displayed like this. 2 can be displayed like this. Okay, 3 can be displayed like this. 4, 5 can see, and 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 different binary coded decimals can be displayed. Okay, so this is the display device, 7 segment display device. I will say like this. Let's say you have an integrated circuit IC. Okay, we feed this binary coded decimal input to this. Let's say I'm feeding 0. Okay, what is the binary coded decimal value of 0? 0 0 0 0. Okay, so this is given over here. Output of this device is, let's say you have a 7 segment display over here. Let's say you have a 7 segment display over here, and when this is given as input, it should process it and display the corresponding input value in the 7 segment display, right? So if all values are 0, it should display me this, right? If it is the equivalent value given here is for 1, that is 0 0 0 1, and this is replaced by a 1. Okay, so what should be displayed over here? I should see only this 2, right? So we will learn today how to make this decoder circuit, which will map a binary coded decimal to 7 segment display. Okay, so in order to understand this, let's represent this 7 segment display structure. This is the structure, right? We will name it as small a, b, c, d, e, f, g. Okay, we'll name it as small a, b, c, d, e, f, g, right? And we will make a table here, binary coded decimal. So binary coded decimal means the decimal values can be represented in terms of binary values from 0 to 9. So we don't have a representation for uh, 10. 10 means you have to take representation of 1 and representation of 0. So let's do it. So if it is 0, this is the decimal value. Okay, so binary coded decimal value will be 0 0 0 0. This is 1, this is 0 0 0 1. This is 2, this is 0 0 1
1 0.
0. This is 3 means 0 0 1 1. Okay. If it is 4 0 1 0 0. If it is 5 0 1 0 1. When it is 6, it is
0 1 1 0.
1 1 0. When it is 7, it is
0
triple 1. When it is 8, it is
1
1
0 0
triple
0.
0. When it is 9,
1
1 0
0 0
1.
1.
Okay. When it is 10, if four
0
binary
0
bits are
0
there,
1.
okay, 4 binary bits are there, how many values can be represented? 2 power 4, that is 16 values. Out of which we have represented here 10 values only. 0 to 9 are 10 values only. Okay, what about rest 6 values?
A
That is,
combination of 1 and 0. So 0 0 1
so
0 0
10, 11, okay, 12, 13, 14, 15 cannot be represented using 4-bit BCD. They cannot be represented using 4-bit BCD. We require 8-bit. Okay,
8.
for 1 4, for 0 4, for 1 4, this for 1, another 4. Okay, so 8-bit are required. Using 4-bit, it is not possible. So we put don't care condition over here. Okay, we put don't care condition over here up to this 15, right? So in our 7-segment display, only values possible that can be displayed are from 0 to 9. From 0 to 9. So for 0 to 9, we have represented the binary coded decimal values. Okay. Now this 0 to 9, what we have, let me erase this. These 10 values, when the input is 0, when the input is 0, this is the equivalent BCD value that can be fed into the, you can say BCD to 7-segment decoder. So the decoder output, okay, let me write it as the decoder output. Which output should glow? I'm writing it as small a, okay, small b, c, d, e, f, g. When the input is all 0, so which one should glow
0
and
first.
which one should not glow? A for 0, a, b, c, d, e, f should glow, but g should not glow, isn't it? 0, I'm writing here. Okay, except this one, all LEDs should glow, isn't it? So what we will write for 0, the value of A should be 1, B should be 1, C should be 1, D also should be 1, E should be 1, F should be 1, G should be
E value 0.
0. Similarly, for 1, you say what can be possible? Only B and C should glow for 1, isn't it?
Or F
And
and E.
no, you look in any digital watch for 1, what is glowing? The right side one. Okay.
Okay, okay.
You can glow E
B
and
and
F.
C, sir.
It all depend on your design. Okay, let's say for 1, I would like to glow B and C. So what I will do, B and C value will be 1 here, and rest all values should be
0.
0. Right? We don't want any voltage or current over here. Only we want B and C. These two should glow.
Next.
Similarly for 2,
F and C values are 0, sir.
for 2, A, B, G, E,
C
T.
value 0.
Okay, F and C should not glow. Okay, F should not glow and C should not glow. Rest all should glow.
1.
Okay, right. Now for 3, you can say
F and E are not.
2 and 3. E should stop glowing and C should glow compared to 2. Okay, so compared to 2, everything will be same except E and C. E and C value will be interchanged. Right, so this will be 1, this will be 1. C also should glow, D should glow, E should not glow, and F
1.
should not glow. Right? So for 4, you can see for 4.
E,
B,
D.
D, sir.
Okay.
First thing.
A,
E, D.
E, D should not glow. Okay. A, E,
D.
and D. Okay, should not glow. Right. Other display units should glow. Similarly for 5,
B and D
what you
not
have?
glow.
B and E should not glow.
Hmm.
B and E for 5. B and E should not
E.
glow. Rest all values should glow. There is one difference between 5 and 6. Okay. So 6.
B value 0. 6.
Compared to 5 and 6. Okay. 5 is like S structure where B and E are missing. Okay. Only B will be missing in 6, isn't it? Only
Yes.
B will be missing in 6. So B should not glow and other values should glow.
All values are 1.
Similarly for 7, what we will have? A, B, C should glow. Okay. I think A, B, C. Only A, B, C, 7 can be represented. A, B,
1,
C
1, 1.
will be glowing 1, 1, 1, and other values are
0.
0. And for 8, everything should
All
glow.
are glow. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1,
Okay.
1.
Now for 9,
E and D values are 0.
E and D.
E only.
Only E. Okay. So it depends on your design. If you want E and D to be 0 also, you can design accordingly. Right? So I'm making only E component to be 0. Right? For simplicity. So this is A, B, C, D, E is 0. F and C should glow. Okay. So this gives me 9. So I guess the table is visible. It's visible, right? So you see for 10, 11, 12, 13, it means what? For other combinations of these bits, the output is undefined. Okay. Output is undefined means everything is don't care. Okay. So for this set of inputs, we don't want to glow the output. Okay. So you can make small a, b, c, d, e, f all to be 0, 0, 0. Right. Now we will make a truth table for this. Right. We'll make a truth table for this. Let me rename this 4 digits. Okay. Let me rename this 4 bits, this bit, this bit, this bit, and this bit as B0, B1, B2, B3. So B0, B1, B2, B3. Right? So B0, B1, B2, B3. Now we will map this value of B0, B1, B2, B3 with this A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Now see here. We'll take this table as reference. We'll make the K maps for this. Okay. We'll do it over here. Now we will make a circuit. We'll make a circuit or we will get an expression for small a. Okay. We will get an expression for small a. Like I'll do like this. Get an expression for small a. Similarly, we'll get the expressions for a, b, c, d, e, f, g, small a, b, c, d, e, f, g with respect to the input. Input we have let's say B0, B1 here, and
B2, B3.
yes, I do take like this. So let's say this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1.
0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0.
1, 1, 1, 0.
Mm.
1, 0. This is also wrote wrongly. 1, 1, 1, 0. Right? So our input, you see the table B3, B2, B1, B0. So I have written in the same order B3, B2, B1, B0. Okay. So let's take this value of A. So we are finding out for small a. Okay. Get an expression for small a using this truth table. Small a means where small a is having 1.
1.
Okay. Collect
First
those
0,
all values
8.
and fill it in the table. Right. So this table consists of how many fields? 16 fields, isn't it? So our table also consists of 16 fields. That is 0 to 15. You can see 0 to 15. Right. Whereas I told you to take don't care for these all.
Mm.
Right. These all will be don't care. Okay. Everywhere. All 10, 11 up to 15 will be don't care. Now let me try to take it from here.
0 place లో 1.
Right. So you can see for small a here, let me do it. This is for small a. Okay. So this was for 0, isn't it? 0, 1, 2, 3. Remember up to 9 we had. So let's fill this. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3. This is these
Sir,
values I'm filling. Okay.
0 value 1, sir.
1, 1, 0. Okay. Up to this it's okay. Now 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 ones are over. So here you have 1. This is 9. That is 1. And other values were don't care, isn't it? Here onwards. Other
Sir,
values were. Hmm.
0, 0, 0, 0 value. First one also 0 value also 1, sir.
Which one?
Only 2 and 4 are 1, 0.
Hmm. You write the index here. Okay, this is 0th index, right?
1,
1,
3, 2.
2, 3. Yes, 0, 1, 3, 2. So 0, 1, 3, 2. Okay, 3. So 0, 1, 0, 1. It's correct, right?
సార్
Hmm.
సార్ ఆ టేబుల్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళండి సార్ ఒకసారి. ఏ వాల్యూ 0 వాల్యూ కూడా 1 సార్. ఫస్ట్
Hmm.
వన్ ఏ వాల్యూ 1.
Okay, 1. This is missing. Right. So this is 1, 1. Okay. So these
అండ్
values
4
will
వాల్యూ
bring
0
accordingly.
సార్.
Right. So totally we should get 10 values. We have got 9 values, right? Okay. So let me take, this is 1, this is 1. It was missing. So what we will do,
0 వాల్యూ 1. 4 వాల్యూ ఆల్సో 1.
so these all will change. Let me put new one. Okay. So let's make the truth table here. B3, B2,
B1, B0,
0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1,
1,
0,
0.
0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now
First
let's
one,
substitute the values. Okay. So this is 1,
0,
0,
1, 1.
1, 1. Okay.
Next,
So after this it is
0,
over. Then 0,
1, 1,
1,
1.
1, 1. Okay. This is over. Then you have 1 and 1. Right?
All are inka.
And all are don't care over here. All are don't care over here.
Mm.
Right? Just a minute. So now you make grouping. You can make a group of this 8. Then you can make a group of this 8. Then remaining are these two ones. You can make a group of this 4. And what else we can make? In 4 different corners also, we have ones. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Right? So what we can write? Small a. The function can be written as, for this green color one, what will be the answer? You have B3 in common, isn't it? It will be B3 plus, for this blue color one, what you will have? What is common here? Is B1 is common. Then this brown color one, you will be getting B2 and B0, isn't it? B2 and B0. And for the 4 corners, what you will have? This black color one, 4 corners. What is common? You have B2 bar common and B1 bar common. Okay. B2 bar common and sorry, B0.
B not com.
B not
B
bar
not
common.
com.
Right. So a value can be written like this. So it can be simplified. This is B3 plus B1 plus, what is this formula? AB plus A complement B complement. This is XNOR, isn't it? This is B2.
X not of.
Okay. XNOR with B naught. Right. This is for A. This is for A. Similarly for B. Similarly for B, what we will have? Let's copy this one. Okay. This is for B, and let's make the table here. This is B1, B0, okay, B2, B3, and we are going to find out the expression for b, small b. Okay, so before we do that, let me copy this table to use it again. Right, so we'll reuse that one. Now let's find out for b. Fill these values. This is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, these 4 are over. Now next 4 is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now next 2, and these all are don't cares. Okay, so what will be the grouping for b? Tell how we can make the groups. We can make group of this 4. Okay, that will result in b3. Then next, what you can make? You can make group of
4
this,
corners.
this. Okay, what will be the answer for this one? So let me write, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so what will be the answer for these two? What are the things in common? You have b2 complement in common. Okay, this one, b2 complement only in common, right? B2 complement. Then with remaining ones, what group can be made?
Sir, 4 corners can be combined.
This can be done. Okay, so for this, what is common? B0 complement, B1 complement, B0 complement, B1 complement. And for the remaining this one, we can make a group of this. So this is B0, B1.
Sir, B0 comp. Oh, sir, first rows are common. All ones. First row, all ones are common, sir. 1, 1, 1, 1.
First row. Yes,
Sir.
anyway, in this way also it is covered, right? First row, we made a group of 8. First row and last row, this color.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so no need to
Sir,
take
sir,
group
can
of
we
4.
combine the 4 corners?
If necessary. Now you can see 4 corner combination is not necessary because we made a group of 8. No need of group of 4, right? Always give priority to larger number of elements in a group, like 8 or 16, whichever is feasible. Larger should be given. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. So we'll move to get an expression for C. Okay. Now let's see. Let me copy this C over here. Right. So get an expression for C. This is for C, right? So what we can write for C. So let me zoom it. This is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So how to fill this? 10 elements. You can fill this 10 elements here. This is 1 1 0 1. This is over. Then you have all ones here. Then you have two ones here. Others are don't care. So what can be done? Which groups you can make? How many groups you can make to cover all these ones? So let me make first this group of 8 and write it as B3. Okay, so C is equal to B3. This is for this one. C is equal to B3 plus, then what we can do? We can make a group of these two also. Okay, then the answer will be B2, I guess, for this. Now, what other possible groups we have? We can, in order to cover these two ones, we can make a group of 8 again, right? So for this group of 8, we will have B1 complement, I guess, plus, and this one is remaining. So we can make another group of 8 for this one, right? So we will be getting here B0. Okay, B0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So C is also done. Right. Next, we will make group for, you can say, D, E, F, and G. Okay, D, E, F, and G. So I forget to copy that K map. Let me make it here quickly. B0, B1, B2, B3. This is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay. So let me paste it. We have 4 more to do. Okay. Now let's copy this we have to make for D, E, F, and G. Okay, so let's copy D. Okay, this is D. So get an expression for D here. Okay, people can start doing yourself. I'll fill. So this is 1, 0, 1, 1. This is done. Then 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then you have 1 and 1, right? And other values are don't care. Other values are don't care. So make a group for this. As usual, you will have a group of 8 here. Okay. So this will result in B3 plus what you will have. You can have group of 4 corners also in this one, this one, this one, and this one. For 4 corners, what is common? You can have B2 complement common and
B0 complement.
B0 complement and B2 complement common. Then for this remaining ones, what groups can be made?
The last row, sir.
This can be made, right? Okay, to cover this one, right? So for the blue color one, what is common? You can see B2 complement is common and B1 is common, I guess. B1 and B2 complement is common, right? Plus still we have 2 more ones to drag into the group. So the last column also can be made one group. Okay, this last column. So last column means B1, B0 complement. Okay, and only this one is remaining. So we can make it a group of this two. Okay, right? So for this two, what you will have? You will have B2 in common, B2 in common, then you have B1 complement common, then you have B0. Okay, this is an expression for D, right? This is the expression for D. So let's copy for E, okay, and do it for E. Okay, E. Now fill it quickly. So what you will have? You'll have here 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, this is done. Then you have 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, then 1, 0, right? And others are don't care. Now you can make a group. As usual, this will be one group. Right, for E. Or is it required? I don't think this group of 8 is required. We can include this one over here in this way also, right? So this green color one group. Okay, so For E, let me write. This will be B2 complement. Then you have B0 complement. Okay, B0 complement, B2 complement. Then only one, this one is remaining. Okay, how to include it into some group is we can take the last column. Okay, we can take the last column. So last column is B1, B0 complement. So E answer is correct. Okay. Now let's do it for F and G. Okay, let's do it for F and G. Let me take this F and G from here. This is F. Okay. Let us put it here. Right. So for F, this is 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Next is 1110, 1, 1, 1, 0. Next you have 1 and 1, 1 and 1. And other values are don't care. Other values are don't care. This is we are finding for small f. Okay. So what groups we can make it here? So 4 corners cannot be covered. So let's make this group of 8, right? And let me write it over here. F is equal to, this is B3, right? Plus what other groups you can make? We can make
First
this
column.
first column. Okay. So the first column value will be B0, B1 complement. Okay, B0 complement, B1 complement. Then what you can make? These two ones are remaining. Okay, so you can make a group of this 4, isn't it? Let me do it in some other color. Okay, this is group of 4, right? So for this group of 4, what will be the answer? B1 complement is common and B2 is common. B1 complement, B2 is common, right? Then what you will have? This only one is remaining. So what can be done? Group of 2 or 4?
4, sir.
4, right? So how we can make it group of 4 is, let's say, you can take this 2 and this 2. Okay, so group of 4. So what is common? B naught complement is common, and you have B2. Okay, B2, B naught complement. So this is the reduced expression of F, minimized expression of F, right? So let's move to the last one, that is G. Okay, let me copy this. And let's move to our last K map. Right, it's visible. So for G, this is 0, 0, 1, 1. In this we are finding for G. 0, 0, 1, 1 is done. Then 1110, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then you have 1 and 1 here. And other values are don't care. Okay, other values are don't care. So how you can make a group here for G?
Last 2 rows.
last two rows. Okay, as usual, this will see, this is B3. Okay, then
Last
four
column.
corners we cannot make, so last column we can make. Okay, this last column. So this is B1, B0 complement. Then
Last two columns up two ones are there, no sir, and down don't care two are there. We can make it as 4.
4. Okay, this and this. Right. So what will be the answer? In this two, B2 complement is common, and what is common? You can find B1 is common.
Sir, even in second row, 1, 1 and third row, 2 not don't case are there, sir.
Hmm.
Those 4.
This also can be met. Okay, so you have B2 common and
B1 bar.
B1 bar. Okay, so we got an expression for A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You can see, right? For small a, small b, small c, okay, small d, small e, f, and g. We got all the expressions, right? We got all the expressions. So after getting the expression, we can make a circuit. Okay, you can take 4 inputs, and these are the outputs that need to be driven based on 4 inputs. Okay, so what you can take 4 input lines, you can take like say B0. Okay, or let me write like this. This is B3, B2, B1, B0. Like this lines you make. Okay, then you can put a NOT gate over here, and you will have B3 complement. Similarly, you will have B2 complement. Okay, and you will have here B1 complement. This you can have here B0 complement. Now you can take this expression of I'll take this expression. Okay, I'll take this expression f. Okay, so how to make f? Okay, so here okay, so B3, right? So you can take a line from B3. Okay, so I'm making for f. Similarly, for a b c d up to g, you have to make. Okay, I'm making for f B3, then B0 complement, B1 complement. Okay, B1 complement, you have, this is one term for OR gate. This is AND of these two, B0 complement, B1 complement. B1 complement I have taken, this I have taken. So here AND gate, and this is OR. Then B1 complement B2. So B2 you take, then B1 complement, this one, AND of this. Then B2, and I guess that is B0. B0. Okay, B2, this is B0. B0 and B2. B0 complement. Okay, and you have B2. And now these all 4 we should take OR. Okay, OR of this. This will give us F. Okay, similarly you have to draw it for A, B, C, D up to G. So it will have a very larger circuit, which is I mean fabricated on a chip, right? Which will convert BCD to 7-segment display. This is called a 7-segment display decoder design. Okay, I guess it is clear to all of you, right? So next class we will take up the multiplier one. Okay, so we'll stop here. Right? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.